Hi, in this video you will learn how to download and install Norton on your Mac. To download the product, go to my.norton.com. Click Sign In, enter your Norton account username and click Continue. Enter your password and click Sign In. Under My Protection, the Norton product that you have subscribed is displayed with the download option. Click Download. Click Agree and download. You can follow the on-screen instructions to locate and execute the downloaded file. Double-click Install Norton. Click Open to let Apple open the installer file. Click Install Norton. Installation is now complete, and let's configure the basic setup. Click Next. If you see the System Extension blocked alert, click OK. In the Norton Features Setup Wizard, click Next. Click Open. Now, turn on the Norton switch. When prompted, type your Mac administrator account password and then click OK. Navigate back to the Norton Feature Setup Wizard to enable browser protection, click Open. Click Allow corresponding to the Norton message. Now click Open to add Norton certificate to your Mac keychain. Type your Mac administrator account password and then click Update Settings. Again, type your Mac administrator account password and then click Update Settings. We recommend you to turn on the Smart Firewall feature. Again, enter your Mac administrator account password and then click OK. Click Finish. You have successfully installed Norton on your Mac. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit support.norton.com.